guys, today we are going to the tree farm. We're going there to get our Christmas tree because it's almost Christmas. Because look over there. There's Christmas decorations.
All right, let's go get a tree.
Today we are going to go cut down our own Christmas tree, which I have never done before. The kids have never done before. Have you ever done that, Dad?
I've never done before.
New experience for everybody. All right, we are on our way.
Where are we?
Kessler's Christmas tree. Parking.
Here we are.
Ooh, look, there's a, looks like there's a tall one over there. Let's go look at that. There's some over here.
Oh, Dad, should we cut down this one? Whoa, look at this one.
That's a good one.
This tree is skinny. It's skinny, dude.
There's these ones. Ooh, this one's pretty good. Have a look at this one. Ooh, this one.
Wow, this is a pretty good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we get that one?
We need a big Christmas tree.
How big this one is?
This one's pretty good. It's not calling my name though.
It's not calling your name.
No. This one looks like a teardrop. Wow. So we finally found one that's taller than Dad.
It looks like the
I think we found our winner.
This is lopsided.
base is bent.
What about this
I
one?
don't think it's bended.
What is it?
It's not bended. Dad, it's not bended.
Okay, let's take a look here.
Oh, that looks good.
Is that pretty straight? Yeah.
Let's get it. Come on. Dad, should we get this one?
I don't know. What's everyone's thoughts? What do you think, Cohen?
Yes. I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes. Yes.
Is it right?
I think yes.
Is it good?
I don't know. What do you think?
Not sure.
I think
It's gonna be harder to chop off.
Papa, do you think it's
Isn't
good or
it?
not?
That's true. Well, it won't be that hard. We just have to get under it.
Yeah.
It's kind of nice.
I think it's nice. It's symmetrical.
Yeah. I guess the
I mean, we can
people
still
that-
go look over there. I mean, there's tall ones over there.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
look over there first.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I like that tree looks straight and we can cut it.
Let's see.
This one looks tall.
Ah, that one's pretty nice.
Definitely in first place. That one over there is in second.
Yeah, that has a long.
That's got a longer stem. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Well, we've narrowed it down to 2 trees
Yep.
that we really liked. And now we're going to determine which one we're actually going to cut down. So here's
Oh, but the bottom's bended.
choice number 1.
Yeah. Oh no, it's actually straight. Should we cut it?
This is the one I think I'd go for.
Yeah, same.
I like the first one.
Same.
But let's go look at the other one. All right, here is
It's called the chocolate
tree
ball.
number 2.
I like this one.
Oh, this one looks pretty nice though.
I would say the other one.
All right, let's put it to a vote. Number 1. So who votes for tree number 1?
I do.
All right, who votes
Papa,
for
do you
tree
vote for
number
tree
2?
too. That's a vote.
Well, I like tree number 2. Is this number 2?
That's number 2.
And look down here. I mean, even if you cut low, you only have to take off a few branches.
That's true. Oh no,
It just looks more homey.
it does. We're at a tie. We're at a tie. Which tree? Which tree?
One.
Break the tiebreaker.
Break the tiebreaker.
All right, I vote for tree number 2. Hey! Nice job.
We cut down the Christmas tree.
We did it!
Woo! We gotta take a picture.
Here we go.
We got a very, very big tree.
Nice.
Ow.
Well, thanks very much.
That hurt.
Hey, you want to help me?
By hell.
Yeah, help.
Yeah, there you go.
Here you go.
Oh, hold it.
Carly's got black color over there.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks for coming.
You okay?
I'm scared to stop. Thank you.
Well, we got it all set up on top of the car
Woo!
right before it started raining.
No!
So it works out pretty good.
Good luck.
And now we drive home and hopefully it doesn't fall off.
Yeah. What if it does?
Then we got to go pick it up.
So, we successfully made it home with the tree. Happy Christmas! Bye! Happy Christmas!